So good afternoon, guys. I'm back, and this is my Bitcoin analysis video. I like to look at Bitcoin just because I like to invest in Bitcoin. And when I look at the chart for Bitcoin, you guys can see I haven't changed my drawings from, I don't know when. If you look at past videos I've done of Bitcoin analysis, they kind of look all the same. Now, what we are seeing here is, I've been telling people that we are headed to the 30K regions, and we finally got to 39,600. I mean, that was the lowest that we got to. And then we bounced off this zone and pushed up. Now, what's happening is we are kind of now in this, sort of, whatever is happening here. What do we call this? Like some indecision in the market. We are seeing these really doji kind of looking candlesticks, and I kind of feel like there's still rejection upside, and I feel like with this indecision, things are 50-50. I feel like when we broke structure here to the downside, we kind of set the pace for a continuation downwards. And like I said, guys, I'm looking at BTC getting to the 30K, 32K zone. So there's potential that we may just push up back to the 444 zone. Well, let's say the 4500 zone, and then we will now start to see deeper retracements, or we could just consolidate here for a time before we drop, because I feel like I've been saying this, that we have a lot of liquidity below here, a lot of liquidity. So either we're going to see a scenario like this one where there'll be major liquidations in the market, like this happened on the 4th of December, and we saw in like a day BTC dropped quite several thousands of pips or points. And I feel like the same thing is going to happen to just take out this inefficiency that is still in the market that needs to be cleared. Like, I don't anticipate BTC climbing without clearing this inefficiency. And if it does, then the drop will be even massive. So if you guys are looking at Bitcoin, consider that. Like, look at the imbalances in the market, look at where liquidity is still resting that has not been mitigated, or supply and demand zones that are still invalidated. Yeah, so I'm still bearish. I'll leave this drawing on as you continue, just so that you guys can see that, yeah, okay, this is what I'm doing. I mean, well, the first time I did this was in November 23rd, and I even posted this setup in my Discord group, and I've just been updating people on my take. And as you guys can see, we've actually respected the downtrend. And over here at this structure, I actually anticipated that it would bounce off, but then there was that liquidation that happened. And that can happen, guys. We may expect Bitcoin to go up back to, let's say, the 49 zone, the 45 zone, but we may just see liquidations happen, so look out for that. So let me look at one more. Let me look at Ethereum. I'm just looking at the major coins. Okay, just looking at the major coins. Excuse me, guys. And the same is true. We retested a demand zone and nicely here and bounced off that demand zone. And we're looking like we're trying to push up, but I don't think there's strength to actually push up. Even if we do, maybe we'll get to the 3,700 and then maybe drop. But I'm still like thinking we are bearish. But this rejection of the demand zone is pretty neat, meaning we may try and push up a bit, but I'm only seeing us getting to the 3,500, 3,501 before we continue. So maybe push up, and then drop and retest previous levels of demand below here. before now we maybe continue to the upside. Again, we're just clearing inefficiencies in the market, as well as just ensuring that, taking out levels of liquidity. So that's it for myself. Like I said, guys, BTC, I'm still looking at the 30K region for us to get there. We may not get there. I mean, don't take my word for it. This is not financial advice. This is just an opinion from a trader. So yeah, take that with a pinch of salt. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and let's see you enjoy. Have a good one. See you soon, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Bye.